Hi everyone, here in this video we're going to talk about how to configure printer for point of sale model. First of all, we need to install Direct Print Pro model itself, and sure, we need to have active printing subscription. As you can see, in my case I already installed Direct Print Pro model and I have the API key. That means that my print subscription is activated. After that, sure, we need to install client application on all computers where our printers are connected, and after running quick configuration wizard and clicking on import printers and scales button, all the printers should be visible in our order. After that, we need to install our plugin Direct Print Pro for Point of Sale into our GitHub repository and on Odoo, and after that it should be visible in the application model. So let's see, Point of Sale, PoS printed with Order Direct Print Pro. Clicking on Activate button, going to the point of sale and clicking on three dots, Edit, we can see a special dedicated menu for Direct Print. We have ability to set up printer for the receipts, that would be PDF writer. For the invoices, let it also be PDF writer. We have ability to automatically print receipts, automatically print invoices, if necessary automatically open the cash drawer, and we also can use scales for the products which need to wait in. So let's click on save button and open our point of sale to see how it works. Open a register, we have some products. Let's click on payment, invoice. First of all, let's check how many print jobs we have currently. It's 0. Let me cash and clicking on validate button. Yeah, for sure we need to choose the customer. Validate. Go into the print jobs, and we can see that the 2 print jobs were created for receipt and the invoice. So this is how it works. Thank you.